Aguiyi will live forever.
Indeed, you will live forever. It is the time for you to live forever. Aguiyi. If only you have the capacity to do what it takes to live forever. I know you do. The existence and dominance of the great Aguiyi deity lies in your hands. Aguiyi. The world is at your feet. Conquer them. Torture them. Bring them pains. Let her blood flow.
I almost had her, but the spirit saved her.
That was the spirit of her late father, Aguiyi. You are that spirit or that spirit.